Hello everyone. There is a confusion among the students that if they want to give improvement exam, then how many subjects he can give. For example, in how many subjects he can give the exam. So it is clearly written in the circular. It is the circular of 29th of May. So only for the schools in respect of regular students की हम यहाँ पर बात कर रहे हैं. Improvement of performance in up to 2 subjects in class 10th subject to the condition of a valid combination of subject as per the date sheet. You have to check the date sheet for the same. And one subject in class 12th. That means in 12th standard you can opt only one subject for the improvement exam. And this is only for the candidates who have passed in 2023 main exams and in the subjects whose list is enclosed in the annexure 5. The two important things are there that in 12th standard you can go for only one subject for improvement, and the another important thing is that you should be passed in that subject. For example, if you have not cleared that subject and you are directly giving improvement, that is not possible. Secondly, that subject should be there in the annexure 5. Other things they have given that you can give compartment in the first chance. Second, improvement of performance passed after replacement of subjects in 2023 main examinations. That is the separate thing. Compartment third chance. If you are a private candidate and you failed in the last year, then again you have to give the exam. So this is for the private candidate, not for the regular students. So in this way they have given everything very clearly that how the students can give the exam.